I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs in my 2014 Cadillac ATS 2.0. Use a T30 star to remove this screw. Take off your oil filler cap. Use a 10mm. Take out the bolt that'll be there and right here to get access to our farthest coil pack. Go ahead, pop that clip back on your coil packs, push down, pull out, remove all the coil packs. 10mm socket, remove the bolts, take out the coil packs. Get an air gun, blow out cylinders, just remove any dirt that might be in there. Using a 5/8 spark plug socket and a long reach, go ahead, start removing plugs. Check your old spark plug to your new one. Check the gap using a gap reader. Put some anti-seize on the threads. Put some dielectric grease everywhere else. Carefully hand screw in your new plug and then torque to 15 foot-pounds. Do this for the rest. Insert your coil packs, plug them in, tighten them down, snug. Put that plastic thing back on, snug her up. Ready for the plastic engine top. And with that, you've changed the spark plugs.
If this video helped, like and subscribe. If you got a question, leave a comment. To all my current subscribers, I did sell my Cruise. This is going to be my new Focus, this ATS. My best friend did purchase the vehicle from me. So any Cruise related major problems that happen in the future, I will make a video about. Thank you.